You like it?
No. I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see.
You like it, Sebastian? It's cool, right?
There's gonna be more soap.
Uh-huh.
It's coming. It smells yummy in here.
Does it?
Look, more. Now it's all over us.
All over us.
Right now. Now it's gonna go on your side.
Yeah.
It's coming to you now. And you're not gonna see on your side. I'm not here on my side.
You're not gonna see on your side, red boy? Where is it coming? What's gonna happen now? Don't look like nothing's gonna happen.
Today. Car wash. Yum. Nothing. It's out there.
Look at that.
Whoa, what's that?
I don't know. It's crazy, right?
I think it's a double soaper.
Double soaper? Whoa! It's crazy. It's phenomenal.
Tsunami.
Tsunami? Yeah, you know about a tsunami.
Oh no, it's coming back!
Oh no! What's going on your side, red boy?
Yummy.
Oh no!
That's cool.
It's cool.
Super.
That's fucking.
Whoa.
Huh?
It's cool to have a car wash like this.
Ain't it?
I wish are the wipers gonna come? Whoa!
Right.
The
Whoa!
wipers.
This is like a amusement ride.
Mommy,
What's coming on that side? Oh no!
No, in the back.
What?
No,
Where is it?
Cool. I want to go here again.
You wanna go here?
Oh,
again?
stop. What's gonna come next?
Let's see. What do you think is gonna come next?
The wiper?
Well, we soaped up. Now it's gotta rinse. So now it's gotta be a spot-free rinse.
Is it gonna wet again?
It's gonna wet. Ooh.
It's gonna be a big one.
It's gonna be real light.
Did you went to this car wash before?
No.
No.
Not my two little sons. This is the best car wash ever.
Coming on your side?
Coming on your side, red boy?
Yes. Play on phone.
What's coming up next?
What?
What?
Super salami.
No. Look at those. You see those three things up there?
Yeah.
Now I want you to listen very, very closely. Listen how this wind. Listen to how this wind sounds when it go over the car. It's blowing the car dry. Listen to the car. Listen, red boy. Can you hear it getting louder?
Yep.
Hear it? Hear it? Wow!
This is like a real car wash.
Yeah, right?
What's coming next?
Well, if the car stays together. You like that, red boy?
What's coming up next?
I don't know. It might be done.
No.
You don't think so?
To go?
Yeah, when it changed to go. Are we ready to go? Let's see.
Nope. I think that's loose. What's that?
Maybe coming back around. Maybe coming back across.
Is this it?
Is it coming back? Is it coming back?
Yes!
It's coming back, all three?
Yes, all three! Whoa!
What? I feel like it's gonna shake the car apart. That was awesome. I thought you guys might like that.
Oh! Go is after the go is right there. You see the green?
Right.
That's
right.
go.
Correct. So let's see what it says next. Drive.
Go.
It says drive forward, and then the little one says thank you. Did you guys enjoy that?
Yeah.
Awesome.